Hi everyone, it's me, Leigh, with Victorian Dreams by Leigh. See, it's me. Okay, so this is a Hobby Lobby haul. It is 75 and 50% off. One item is the 40% coupon. Other than that, it's either 75% off or 50% off. And I only go to Hobby Lobby maybe twice a year. It used to be in the town I lived in, literally 2 miles, and I still only went twice a year because I spend way too much money. And now it's an hour away, and I had to run into that town, so I stopped by. I won't go again for 6 months or more. So anyway, let's show you what I got. This has nothing to do with crafting, but it says, "Welcome to our porch." And it was $9, 50% off, and I'm going to hang it on my porch. So I got two of these for $1.50, and they're paper mache ornaments, and it already has the little string to hold it, and I thought I could decorate those two for Valentine's Day. I think that's cute. And they're pretty wide, so I like that. You could even decorate these for Christmas too, and lace it up and all. One I'll do paper, one I'll do lace. How about that? I don't know what. Then I got this big heart. It's bigger than 12 by 12 because I put a 12 by 12 sheet of paper on it and it came to about here, so it must be 15 inches. And this was, how much was this? $6, so I got it for $3. So that'll be fun to decorate. I don't know what I'm going to do with it yet, but I liked it. This is the only item that I got that was regular price, and I used my coupon for 40% off. It's the Prima. I got $8 off, so it was $12. I have not seen this. Like I said, if I don't buy a couple things online through two paper people that I use, and I can tell you who they are if I would pop in my head as I'm talking to y'all. But this apricot honey from Prima, I haven't seen it. It's gorgeous. It's probably been out there over a year, and you're saying, "Leigh, it's been out there over a year." Well, I didn't know, so let's look. Isn't it pretty? And the foil, I don't know if y'all can see the foil. And there's the back side of it, is right here. Isn't that pretty? And so, let's see. I love that. And then all these tags and cards that you can cut out. And that's the back side of that one. Well, did you see the back side of the first one? I don't know if I showed you. It was that right there. Okay. So, and then this paper, and then the back side. That's nice. I love the foiling. And then these cards to cut out. It'll be a beautiful album. And then there's the back side. Then these butterflies. It's at an angle. It's not straight on. And all the foiling. And then what's the back side of that is greenish brick. And then this page with the script foil writing is really pretty. And then the back side is that. I think that's it. Yeah. So I really enjoy this paper. That's going to be fun to work with if I don't hoard it, because I do hoard paper. I've been proud of myself lately. I have been using my papers. So I have a project that I saw on YouTube, and I'm going to do today. I'm stopping what I'm working on. I'm working on that that piano, wrapping it with graphic 45 paper, and here it is. I'm working on it right now. The piano, I'm stopping that, and it's for me to do a project that I saw online, and so it needed like 8 sheets of paper. So this is Anna Griffin paper, and I got it at Hobby Lobby, and it was 4 for $1, regularly 69 cents each. So I got 8 of these. This one is paper, Hobby Lobby paper, I think. 69 cents, 4 for $1. I got those, 8 of those. This is Anna Griffin paper they have, and I got 4 for $1 instead of 69 cents. And then I got these roses, the same price. So, okay, for 75 cents off, and I don't know why it's 75% off right now. This is cheaper than what I can buy at the expo going straight to the vendors. It is regularly $10 and it's $2.49. $2.49. And it is the little girl Echo Park paper and the stickers and everything. This is also cheaper than Tuesday mornings when I can find it there. So, you know, above the paper and those slots that go diagonally, that's where they were, up above the shelf. So if you're looking for the next set of papers I'm going to show you, that's where they're at. So this 75% off. This kit is 75% off, $2.49. And it's got raised. There's all the different papers that's in it. It's got stickers on the back. This is me and my big ideas mom bee kit. I don't know how you pronounce that. Let's see. This is another one, different pattern. This has got a lot of pinks in it. You can see the raised, $2.49, regularly $10, or $9.99. Me and my big idea. Black and white. And there's the stickers on the back. I'm going to speed it up. I think I'm taking too long now. Okay, this is 75% off. $2.49 for the whole pack. 12 by 12 sheets of paper, but it doesn't say how many you get. But it's heavy. 12 by sheets of paper. So, and then the stickers on the back and the raised chipboard on the front here. Okay, back to, this is $2.49, regularly $9.99. This is Echo Park, and this is the Spring Market and the stickers that go with it. And I got this, today's Sunday, so I got it Saturday, yesterday. These have been out for a while because I've seen them and I have a few of them. And here is Cartabella. I think either Cartabella is Echo Park or Photo Play. When I go to the expos, either Echo Park or Photo Play, I'm thinking Echo Park is Cartabella. But anyway, this is 75% off. And there is the stickers on the back. I know what I'm going to make with that. A recipe book. Here is, let's see, $2.49 Photo Plays paper. And this is all about being in the pool and the sun and the beach. And there's the stickers on the back for that one. Here is the little boy Echo Park little boy paper. I guess it could be girl too in some ways, but not really. There's a tractor and cows and stuff, but this was a very good price. $2.49, regularly $10. And there's the stickers on the back. If you make a lot of albums, girls, you need to run out and get a couple of packs to make an album. This is, who made this? This is regularly $12.99 and it is $3.24, and Simple Stories, 101 pieces for $3.24. So that was a good deal. And this is a summary, and it's got llamas and stuff, so that'll be fun to do. Okay, that's as much as I got on paper. The rest of the stuff is probably everything you've seen before. It is on sale, but I just needed to stock up on supplies and I was running low. If you want to continue, you can watch. So his and hers in the wedding section, this is half price. So for $1.50 I bought these flowers and I got the 12 for $1.50. Isn't that a pretty pink? That's a blush pink. So I got those. And for $3, it's regularly $3, I got it for $1.50. I love having these. You just never know when you need it. And chiffon little flowers, so I got that. And my camera has froze. So I got that. My camera froze, so hopefully it is recording now. Not responding. Okay, it said not responding, so hopefully it is working now. Okay, and this right here was 50% off, and it's in the sewing section on the end cap. And look at these hat pins. For regularly $3, I got for $1.50. Isn't that so cute? And then this matches it. It is a spool. So let me squeeze it and get it back in. Well, I'll do it off camera. And then these are magnets that go with that collection. So, and then they had pens. Oh no, this is pencils because there's the lead, and to go with it. They had bookmarks. Says, but yeah, bookmarks, and isn't that cute? And it was all half price. And then they have little books. There's 3 of them. Little books that go with that collection. So I thought that was really fun to grab. Okay, and then the rest of it is laces that I just needed to have. These 4 I'm going to show you right here are velvet, and I've never had them before, and they've probably had them for a long time. In fact, this one is a very light. Why is this not responding? Very light color of a peachy tan, and it's even got pearls on it. Regularly $7, so I bought it half price, so I don't know how much is in here. It goes back pretty good, but I'll use that sparingly. That was a little pricey. This is regularly $5, so I got for $2.50, and it is ribbon, but I wanted the velvet in color. Then here is the dark burgundy and the light blush pink. So I already have projects in mind. In fact, I might use it on this if it will cover it and then trim it out. We'll see how that works. Maybe I'll do Glue Gun Chronicles on that. So I got these trims were half price. You get them for $1, and you can always use those type of trims. And then these 2 are like satiny cords, and yeah, they were $1. You know, I've used that a lot, and I've had that, and they didn't have it for a while, so I was happy to have this again. Here's the white one. And then I got this. Isn't that pretty? If I've never had it before, I buy just one just to try it to see. And then I got those. And I bought this one right here. Let me cut it open because I don't remember having this before. But y'all may say it's been there. You just need to go shopping more. Isn't that pretty? That's really nice. I should have got 2 of those. It was regularly $5 and I got for $2.50, but that's very pretty. And then I bought this. You know, I've had that before. I got these 2. The one in pink and one in blue, and I thought that would be really pretty if I did a little boy album and a little girl album. I only have a few more items. These satin ribbons are $3 regularly, and I got them for $1.50, and they're in the wedding section, but those are pretty colors. I bought 2 pink items, and I need to find more pink items. I'm having a hard time finding pink items, but I got those 2. I bought those 2, the pearls and this white trim. Isn't that pretty? And then a couple more items and we're done with this haul. More beads. Where are you? More beads. My camera keeps going in and out. I hope this works. I'm going to have to watch this video and see if this even works. Isn't that pretty? And I know my lighting's really bad in here. I need to figure out how to fix it. Isn't that nice? That's pretty. But anyway, guys, I didn't mean to take that long. Hopefully this camera works. If it didn't work, I'm not going to redo this video. But anyway, thanks for stopping by. And all my links will be down below. And I hope that you will subscribe to me and come follow me in my groups and hang out with me and the girls in my Glue Gun Chronicles group and everything. But have a blessed day. Bye.